Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Simea from Moana 2. So let's get started. To draw Moana's cute sister, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a very big circle. And then I'm going to come across about this wide and draw another circle. So making the eyes a little bit further apart and bigger, just trying to make her look younger. There. So I have two circles in. I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the circles in, her eyes in, I'm going to come to the sides right here and just give her some tiny lashes. Maybe just 3. Just pop them out about right there. And same thing here. 3 small short ones. Then from there, let's give her a sweet smile. So about right here, close to the eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. Give it a little smirk and go up. And cap it off. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to, let's see here, we need to draw her face. So I'm going to come to about the center of her eye, maybe a little bit below, but about right here. I'm going to come out right here and give myself a point. So same thing on the other side. About right here, come out and give myself a point. From there, I'm going to basically draw this wide curve for the bottom of her face. So I just want to get her this curve in for the bottom. And we're just going to bring it under this big curve. And let's see here, I'm going to find my center and let's say about right here, just kind of where I wanted to go. And I'm just going to hit my point and do the same thing here. Just a little bit easier for me to draw since I'm drawing pretty big. Give myself these points so I can see where I'm going. There. So I just want to draw this big curve for the bottom of the face, and then we're going to come back to the top. So let's say about the center, or maybe off, a little bit off, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And from there, I'm going to draw her hair. So I'm just going to kind of wobble down, hit her eye, and just come down. So same thing on the other side. From there, let's go ahead and draw her brow. So I'm going to come up much higher than usual, say about right here, and we're just going to draw a curve and thicken it up. Just a part of it, and same thing on the other side. So drawing much higher because she's younger, and so that's one of the ways to try to make her look younger. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see here. It looks weird, huh? But once we color and put it all together, I think it will look better. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this up. We're just going to curve it a little bit and say about right here. I'm going to draw the top of her hair up on both sides. And I'm going to come down here before I finish that and just bring a strand out. And then right about here, I'm just going to draw a curve for her ear. And same thing on the other side. So just bring this strand and then just pop in her ear. There. And then let's draw her hair now. So her hair is very messy, right? That's what makes her so cute. So I'm going to come right here and just wobble my way down, and then just try to kind of draw a strand in here. Maybe you can pop some out right about here when you're drawing it. Put some here, a little bit here. We're just trying to make it look a little bit messy. And so same thing here. Just gonna bring this down. And once again, same thing. There, just some strands here and there. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her body. So I'm going to come to, say about right here and here. I'm going to come down, give myself a point, so just skip some space about here. I'm going to try to center it, so about right here. With these 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve over for the top. And then we're going to bring this down at a slight angle, not too much. But right here, bring it down a little bit more. And about right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect with a curve, going way across. Then we're going to come down at another level. This is her, kind of her tummy. And then, once again, draw a curve across. And then we're just going to wobble a little bit. Same thing here. And then, once again, connect. So this is kind of like her belt. And then her skirt. So then we're going to pop this part out. To, let's say, about right there. Short skirt. And let's come here. Oh, actually, you know what? Let's come here first. We're just going to split it. So about right there. Draw a curve across. And then one curve right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's draw her legs. I know it looks so weird, we haven't put in her arms, right? Okay, so let's draw it since we're down here. So I'm just going to kind of continue, draw this angle out, and we're going to come right about here, draw this angle, and then we're going to kind of pop it out for her calf and bring it in. And then this part is just going to go straight angle down. And then right about here is where we're going to come down and then draw her heel. So come draw a curve. This is going to still go down past this curve, and then we're going to go out for her toes. And then just connect everything with a step. There, so it just looks like she's kind of on her toes. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. So just continue this angle. To make it easier, we just go all the way down to about the same area. I'm going to pop this out for her toes. And then same thing, about the same width, slight angle. And then right here, we're going to come down, give her a little calf. And curve it in for her ankle, then pop it out for her heel, in, and then a little step to connect everything. There. So hopefully I was able to help you with that. And then come back in this area. We're just going to draw a little ankle bracelet. So maybe just like a star right here, since we have some room, and then connect it with some circles for her little bracelet. There. Okay, so then now let's draw her hands. So we're not giving her a neck, so we're trying to make her look younger. So I'm going to come right about here and just curve down her shoulder. So same thing here, just curve down her shoulder. Then we're going to have her arms come out. So this is where her armpit area is, and I'm going to come out to about right there. Let's go ahead and thicken it all up. So we're just going to get thinner for her wrist. About right there, and then we're going to come down for her thumb, and then come up for 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. There. So same thing on the other side, but right here, I'm going to draw this top part first. It's a little bit easier. So let's bring this down. Approximate. So I'm just going to drag this across so that I'm approximate the same. About right there. And once again, just draw this line. Get a little bit thinner, and then right about here, thumb and her fingers. 1, 2, and 3. There. Aw, hopefully. And then she still has some hair that we need to draw, so we can draw part of it about right here, just kind of wobble, and then the other part maybe we just kind of like this little ponytail that she has, and just kind of wobble it in. There. Draw some details here. The line for her ear. And let's see if I'm missing. Okay, and then now let's draw all the details on her outfit. So I'm just going to quickly just do some basic decorations that I feel that are more important to draw. Maybe some, let's see here, without complicating it too much. There. And then over here she has some of these loops. I think this is important to draw, so I'll draw this in here. And I think here there's some of these circles. Without making it too complicated. And last thing, you know what? I need to put a heart, so I'm just gonna sneak one in here in these little circles. There. And there's some triangles here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how Simea here turned out from Moana 2. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.